All right, welcome back. So I had originally said we were going to do measurement. We will probably not do a measurement center. We are just going to do, it'll be 5 then. We're going to do elapsed time, probability, even and odd, prob and composite, rounding, decimals, place value, and then operations with decimals. So we're going to talk about probability now. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use IXL and go over a few of these with you. And then you will have your math centers. Again, you will probably see some of these. They're going to be familiar. Okay. Let me excuse my 25,000 windows I have open. Okay. So let's talk about probability. Probability. And if you remember, we took notes on probability, okay? And let's just discuss them. All right. I had this out, and then I put it up. All right, so probability is the chances of an event happening. Impossible means that it's never going to happen. If you have 4 red gumballs and you want a blue gumball, it is impossible for you to get a blue gumball. If you have 10 red gumballs and 2 blue gumballs, it's unlikely that you're going to pull a blue gumball out of there. If you have 5 red gumballs and blue gumballs, it's equally likely that you'll pull one of those 2 out. Okay, so you have to think of the verbiage, likely, impossible, certain, and you also have to think of the fractions. If you have 8 red gumballs and 7 green gumballs, that's a total of 15 gumballs, but you have 7 out of 15 green. So you have to remember to do the fractions as well, and we did those in our notes. Certain would be that you have it would be the same as having all of the same color gumballs. Okay. All right. So it's giving you a ratio. That's what it's doing. All right. Let's look at this right here. On which color is the spinner less likely to land, white or green? Well, it's less likely to land on green because you have a smaller portion of green. On which color is the spinner less likely to land? Again, green, because it has less. All right, so here we have the spinner is primarily blue, so it's less likely to land on white. If you select a marble without looking, which color are you less likely to pick? Well, here's where we need to count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 purple marbles and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blue marbles. So I said I had 6 purple and did I say blue? I meant black. And I have 5 black. So which one are you less likely to pick? Well, I'm less likely to pick the black because it is 5 out of 11, whereas purple is 6 out of 11. Okay, so you have to make sure that you know that you have these fractions. Now, it is about equally likely that you're going to pull out one of the 2 colors, really, because they're almost even. You could say that it's more likely to pull out a purple because there is 6. So that's why it's saying here you are less likely to pull out the black. All right, same thing here. I've got 4 green, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 black, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, yeah. So here I've got 4 out of 10 green, 6 out of 10 black. Now, where am I getting the 10 from? I am adding the total marbles to get my total count of, to get my denominator of this fraction. So you are saying there are 4 out of 10 purple or green, green marbles, and then there are 6 out of 10 black marbles. So you are less likely to pick green. I've got a frog in my throat. If you select a marble without looking, which color are you more likely to pick? Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 black compared to 2 green, so it's going to be black. If you select a marble without looking, which color are you less likely to pick? Well, what do you think? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 purple, 1 pink, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 black. So I am less likely to pick pink. If you select a marble without looking, how likely is it that you're going to pick a black one? Well, it's impossible to pick a. I've been doing this too long today. It's impossible to pick a black marble, but it would be certain that you would pick a pink. If you select a marble without looking, how likely is it that you will pick a black one? It's unlikely because there are 3 purple and 1 black. Ooh, the challenge zone. If you select a marble without looking, how likely is it that you're going to pick a black one? Well, again, it's unlikely because you have 3 to 1. Awesome. If you select a marble without looking, how likely is it that you're going to pick a black one? Well, it's certain because it's all you have to pick from. And if you select a marble without looking, how likely is it that you're going to pick a black one? It is not certain. It's not possible. It's not unlikely. So it's probable. And that's what that means. Are you going to be able to pick a black one out of here? No, it's impossible. Trying to get us to 100. If you select a marble without looking, how likely is it that you will pick a black one? It is unlikely. Okay, woohoo, we made it to 100. Okay, okay, so now I want you to go to Google Slides and do that. There's like 4 questions, okay?